Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Boxing Day 2021. Today I'm gonna make live edge benches for our sauna at the cottage. We just finished the sauna. It's just put a wood stove in to get the heat. We're gonna try that, and but we got no benches, so hopefully I wrote the dimensions down somewhere and try and make these benches. Gonna make them out of cedar slabs. Just head out back to the wood pile here. See what we got left. All right. Oh, actually, there's the log lifter. That's gonna get some upgraded wheels pretty soon. I'll make a video about that and see how that goes. So here's all the cedar. So I'm gonna try and pick something out of here. Put this camera down somewhere. These are the two pieces of wood I pulled out of the pile. I'm gonna make the benches out of. Gonna need about 70 inches on this board. I need about right here. The other one I need a little bit less. That's gonna be this board here. Somewhere around 60 inches. Out here. The rest of that board has a split in the end of it, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna cut it off right about there. And clean them up. Up to the cottage and put them in. Hopefully, this will be the first board. See that? There it is. So I'll clean it up, maybe straighten it out, maybe do something, I don't know. So under the bench, I think I'm gonna need two, I'm gonna need a support under both sides, just one. So basically, I'm gonna take the last bit of this board. Let's see here. And I'm gonna make one 16-inch support there and one 16-inch support here. And this is just the cutoff of that first slab that I did. So this is going quick. Hopefully it won't take too long. It's cold out here again. So one thing that you always run into with live edge wood is trying to square up the pieces when they're just cut off the mill, because if you come down and look at the, if you look down here, how do I turn this around?